So you should now have the basics of your drawing in place. So you've got all the mechanical elements to your insect, and you've got some bits that are still remaining as an insect shape. So you've got a mixture of both. So now your next steps is to add some shade and tone, which will add form to your insect, so it will make it look 3D. So at the moment it looks quite flat. So the way we're going to do this is with various techniques. So for example, on this section, I might want to do this technique to add some shade onto my piece. So you can see I'm doing lots and lots of lines, and what I'm doing is building the pressure in that section with my pencil and then lifting my pencil off the page, and that's what creates that gradient effect. And this is called hatching because it's lots of lines going in one direction. If I wanted to make this into cross hatching, I would just cross back over the other way. And again, you're creating that tonal effect. So it looks like the light is hitting it from above, from up here, because you've got a shadow coming around the side. So for each piece of your drawing, focus on a section at a time. So I might add a little bit more shade into that one, just going up and across, all over. And then if I move on to this little section here, I might focus on making that a little bit 3D by adding some shadow down at the side. So if you make some of your compartments 3D, just remember to add on that 3D element on the same side of every little thing. So I've done it up to this top half here. So I need to do that onto my next sections as well. So I do it over on this side. And then I can add some blended shading onto this piece. So that's just using your pencil in circular motions to create tone. And then I might go deeper in certain sections, imagining this is metal because this is a steampunk piece. So we're looking at engineering and mechanics. So if you imagine this is metal, some metals are darker than others. So I'll do that a nice dark in the middle. So you can vary the kind of pencils that you use. So you could use artist pencils. And we know that if there's a B in the pencil, so I'm working with a 5B here. So if you know you're working with a B, that means that it's darker. So a 5B is relatively dark, a 9B would be even darker. So the higher the number, the darker this becomes. Just refocus that. So you want to do this in every element of your drawing to really add shape, form and 3 dimension to your piece.